Hey guys, today for the review, we have the KAIWEETS KT301P. We received this circuit breaker finder from the KAIWEETS company to make a review. It's the KAIWEETS KT301P circuit breaker finder. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes with a carrying case. There is a GFCI outlet tester. There are 4 AAA batteries. There is a 3-prong to 2-prong adapter. There is a transmitter. There is a receiver. There is a manual. Remove the back cover to insert the 2 AAA batteries in the transmitter. Use a small screwdriver to remove the screw. Remove the back cover to insert the 2 AAA batteries in the transmitter. Use a small screwdriver to remove the screw. It's time to test out this circuit breaker finder. Press and hold the red power button to turn on the transmitter. To find out which circuit breaker controls this outlet, start by plugging the transmitter into the outlet. The solid green light on the transmitter indicates the outlet wiring is correct. The transmitter displays a voltage reading of 120 volts, which is the standard for household outlets. Press and hold the power button to turn on the receiver. Before scanning, press the reset button to clear any previous data. The display should be set to learning mode, shown by the Learn icon. To find the circuit breaker, first scan the panel while in learning mode. This is the first scan. Point the receiver at each circuit breaker one by one, but do not touch them. Carefully check each breaker one by one. Even if the receiver beeps or the display shows a change, don't stop. Continue to the next breaker. After the first scan is completed, wait 3 seconds. The receiver should switch to lookup mode and the magnifying glass icon will appear on the display. Scan the panel a second time while in lookup mode. As you get closer to the right breaker, the beeping will speed up. Once you've found the correct breaker, the receiver will beep continuously, and the signal strength indicator will be full, confirming you've got the right one. After you've found the correct breaker, flip the toggle switch on the breaker to the off position. The green light on the transmitter is flashing instead of staying solid, which means the breaker has been turned off. To confirm, I will attach a hairdryer to the same outlet. As you can see, the hairdryer does not turn on. Let's turn on the breaker by switching it to the on position. I'll plug the hairdryer into the same outlet and switch it on. This time, the hairdryer turns on, confirming we found the right breaker. This transmitter also supports the GFCI test. Press and hold the power button to turn on the transmitter. Plug it into the outlet. To test the GFCI device, press and hold the test button. The display shows PAS and the green light indicator to flash. This means the wiring is correct, as the GFCI has tripped and the reset button has popped out. This receiver also supports the NCV, or non-contact voltage test. Press and hold the power button to turn on the receiver. Press and hold the reset button to switch to the NCV mode. I have an air purifier that I've connected to the wall outlet. I'm going to turn on the air purifier. When I position the tip of the receiver to the power cord, the receiver beeps when it detects a live voltage. The display shows the signal strength of the detected voltage. This is a great circuit breaker finder tool. The carrying case makes it convenient for safe storage. It's very easy to scan and find the circuit breaker. The link to this circuit breaker finder is in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more electronics tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.